There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Durango GT Blacktop Edition in Destroyer Gray. With LED daytime running headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch high-gloss black aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors with manual foldaway, LED tail lamps with red accents, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, 8-way power driver seat and manual passenger seat, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, blind spot and cross path detection, Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, Park View rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, 3-zone temperature control, second row 60/40 fold and tumble seats, 7-passenger seating, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5465.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.